which one is better, school life or college life? So this team is supporting school life and this team supporting college life. So initiate the discussion. Who would like to? Yes, Gaurav.
A very good morning to one and all present here. So today's our group discussion topic is school life versus college life, and we are in the favor of school life. And I would like to initiate the topic by saying that school life is better. Um, School life plays a very crucial role in laying the foundation of knowledge and skill that prepares students for future academic pursuits, lifelong learning.
So good morning to you one and all present over here. So today's DD topic is college life versus school life. So today I'm supporting college life. To initiate the topic, I want to say, as my friend said, that it's like a building for a student, the school create. But I think the college give you the exposure, the thing, the experience you get to know about yourself. The school just give you the basic knowledge of everything, but the school, the college life will give you the exposure of everything.
But you know, the school is a basic foundation of all those learnings. Like, you are learning new things, you are trying to interact with people. As you are a kid, you try to interact with other students, and you are interacting with teachers, and you are participating in different activities like craft or drawing, or you can say many, you know, as we are doing group discussions, and many of those things which really help the children to, you know, grow more. And in the college schooling, in the college, you know, they don't know they don't teach children those basic skills that are being taught in schools.
First of all, I like to thank you that you have given the opportunity. So, according to me, it depends on the choices and preferences of the particular student. That the student, if I talk about the career perspective, so in college life we have the many opportunities to explore. If I talk about my example, I used to if the someone in class if someone if the professor wants to tell something, if I didn't get, so I used to go to the professor first and try to understand what the professor wants to teach, and after that I will go to the library and to have some spend time with me to understand that topic. So it means that the college life is very exploring things. We want to explore. We have to explore the many things in college.
Okay, so it is another point. In college life, there's a very distractions. Like most of the people attracted to smoking, drugs, and everything. I give some example of two colleges, at Chandigarh University and Punjab University. Their professors are giving drugs to their children. What about that?
Sorry to contradict you, but it's the responsibility of professor that he should not to do this kind of activities. And second thing, I want to raise one more point. In school life, students have a habit of spoon feeding, where teachers used to do a spoon feed to their children's. They give knowledge to their students. But in college life, students do self study, and he always do the things which he likes.
Well, I would also like to add on to her point that, you know, colleges are you know, promoting those things. If we say graphic era, and there are many colleges that are inviting, you know, celebrities that doesn't have any, you know, say in the college, or they are not that influential people to teach the children, and they are calling celebrities like Badshah and all those people to perform in the stage. As we have gone to Kumav University, there was a dancer that was called to the stage, and they are just promoting that, they are doing that just to promote the, you know, the college. But that doesn't happen the same in the school. You know, you are being taught the values about how to behave. You know, in the school, you are wearing a certain uniform. Most of them, like, there are a few colleges that, there are many colleges actually that, you know, don't have uniform, and few of them have uniforms. And you know, by going to school, you have that uniform, and they are promoting that diversity and, you know, that unity, because they are children of different religion, and they are just going to wear what they want. And many children wear inappropriate clothes. So I believe that uniform are imposed for those things. And as you said, you know, if for choosing a subject in a college, the school promotes, you know, they give the idea to the children, you know, how what kind of subject you should take, or you know, what kind of courses you can opt to go to be it would to be beneficial for your future. So yeah, school also promotes that.
So, as I contradict your point, as you have said about the drugs and all, as you are saying, you are in the favor of school life. You know, school is the foundation of everything, and that's how it's the foundation of everything goes for everything. The things, the drugs they are promoting, the person who are taking it, they have that foundation. They are addicted from small of when they are in the schools. They have the addiction. The addiction can be smaller one, but the addiction start from here. So it's not like that they start from the college. It can be started from the school. And as you said about that that dress and all, there are many few colleges. If you are going to any open university or something, there will be a chance that you can wear any dress or something. And but if you see, there are many few colleges which don't have any uniforms. If you'll check any government college, any central government or any private colleges, they have their own uniforms. And if I said about the college thing, that you said that they have the inappropriate dresses they are wearing. You know, when you are going to a college, your friends are becoming your family. They are your big supporters. If you'll see, I'll give you an example. There are many people, there are many reels, and many things are getting viral. Their school friends are the friends which will be with you at the end of your life. But it's not like that. You will see the friends who are from your school till college, they are the friends. But the friends you are making at the time of colleges, they are the person who understand you, because at the time of college you have nothing. Now when you are in the school, you are with your parents, you are getting everything from them. But when you went to college, if you are far from your home, they become your friends, family, or everything. Your mother, father, they become everything for you. They understand you better. They have the feelings for you.
You know, there are many times that friend circles are not good. If we are talking about school friends, you know, we have met such a good persons. If we talk about like Bhumi and my friend Dhruti, we have been friends for 8 years, and for Bhumi I have been friends for 2-3 years. And I believe that these friendships, they tell us, because they have known us from our childhood, they tell us what is wrong, what is right. But when we go to the college, there are many times, you have that brat friend circles that leads to the that addiction that is taught. In the school, children are not taught about drugs and all. Most of the school promote that no drugs. And many government, I would say many police officers came to school. In our school also they came, and they told us about what is bad for the person, for what is bad for you child, and what is good touch, what is bad touch. They tell us everything. What leads to the addiction and all those things are the friends from the college, because they don't know you from the childhood. They don't care about you that much as your childhood friend that you made in the schools.
Very well said. Yes.
So as you've said that the police personnel come to your schools to give you the knowledge about things. Like in the college as well, you get that information from every police officers or everything. And as you said about the circles, I'm in Goa. If you talk about the Goa now, the most addicted place it is. Everything, every type of single drugs, every type of single addiction you can get from there. I have a friend circle of, you can say, the rich peoples. I have a friend which we are come from the rich family, but they are the biggest supporter of me. They support with me everything that I am, with my financial support, any personal support, or any time of mindset. I am there for him. They were there for me. It's not about the circle. It's about you, how you take them. So the addicted people is come from the school as well and the college as well. It doesn't mean that college is the place where the people get addicted. You get good friend circles, and that friend circle came to, if you'll see many examples, the many businesses has been taken by the college friends, not the school friends. They are coming from the colleges, not they have met in the school or something. The main things, the exposure you get, what you want to get in the life. There are many examples where the peoples are doing they are from the commerce stream or the science stream. They have changed streams at the time of college because they get the exposure because of some years they have wasted in some colleges, and you get
All right.
exposure.
Fair enough. That means that we cannot blame the individual. Yeah, Shashank, you wanted to make some point?
Yeah. As
Okay.
we earlier said about the dress, as I earlier said, school is related to spoon feeding. School can only teach you about the values. They didn't teach you how to become a high value man. In college, you get to know about how to be a high value man. after looking at the girls and inappropriate dresses, this is the how real life looks like. So then after going to college, then they get to know about how to live in the real world and how to control their emotions and all.
All right, who would like to answer them? All right, you would like to?
Well, as you said, they tell us, these are the things that are being taught from the childhood, that how appropriately you should watch a girl or not. It's not that you learn that from colleges. It's what's a parents teach to their children, how you should respect a girl, and how you should treat her right, and all those things that are being taught from the childhood. You can't just undo yourself by going to college and you just say that you are going to become a wise man. That's not going to happen. If you are not the person, if you are not that person from the starting, you are not going. And these values are taught from the schools. The discipline, the decorum are all being taught from the schools, and that activities, everything is being taught from the schools. And there are many times you are being taught group work or how to do teamwork by the with the people, because there are many group activities, I would say, like debate and all those things that are being taught in school. You can't just go to the college and learn those values just by being a wise man or all those things. And I believe that when you are away from your parents, because most of the colleges are far away, or many people choose to go to the colleges near them, but many of the people go to the far away, like you are going to Goa, and many people. So I would say that when you're far from parents, like there are many people who maintain themselves and not do those things like we are saying about drugs, alcohol, smoking. But when you're far away from home, nobody is watching you. Your parents are just calling you. They can just come to, like, if my brother is in Punjab, they can go to Punjab and look what he is doing. They are just going to trust your word, and many times child lie about those things.
Yeah, that's a wonderful point, and I think we have given enough points. Now it's time to conclude the topic.
Well, in a timeless debate between which is better, school life or college life, a coin has two sides. Both has its advantages and disadvantages. I believe that while school plays a basic role or basic foundation for a child to grow and go to the college, and there they learn many life skills and interact with many people and get their job. That's it. Thank you so much.
In a timeless group discussion between college life versus school life, it's wise to remember that school life gives foundation to the student of values and knowledge, and in college life the students get to interact with the people and got new knowledge related to the schools and his interests. And at last, it's wise to remember for us that we have to don't leave no stones unturned in providing the best education for them.
Guys, it was a wonderful group discussion. Clap for yourself and our viewers. Guys, आप लोग भी जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा आपके हिसाब से what is better, school life or college life. Thank you for watching.